Hey girls, in this video I will be sharing how I laid this wig to look like relaxed hair, so let's jump right into it. The wig I'm using in this video is from RPGHair. This is their Kinky Straight Lace Frontal Wig. The density on this wig is 130% and the length of this wig is 20 inches. As we all know, kinky texture is my favorite texture when it comes to wigs. Simply because it mimics African American hair. It feels like African American hair. Even before you press it out or you add any type of heat, it feels like natural hair blowed out. Honestly, it is the best texture to get and it is the most slept on texture ever. So this wig does come with 4.5 inches of parting space regardless of where you part your wig. Now I know a lot of y'all might be like, girl, this is the same kinky wig from before. So what's the difference with this wig? Well, I'm going to tell you. Number one, this wig has 4.5 inches of parting space. I have reviewed several wigs in the past where you get 2 to 3 inches of parting space, which is very disappointing. RPGHair has also stepped it up with the frontal hairline. This wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. I did go in and pluck the hairline just a little bit, but not a whole lot. So honestly, you could wear this wig literally, guys, straight out the box. Another thing that I noticed with this wig straight out the box when I looked at the lace was that this lace has been bleached, and it's been bleached to the point where I can't see any black little dots. So I instantly put it on a mannequin head and I noticed that their technique for bleaching has improved a lot compared to their last wig that I reviewed. And I can honestly appreciate that because really I don't have to do any type of bleaching, no foundation, no Sally Hansen makeup. Like literally, guys, this is a wig that you can wear straight out the box in its original kinky texture, and the density on this wig makes it perfect. I always tell you guys, when you get kinky wigs, do not go above 150% simply because the hair is just way too thick. So with kinky texture hair, you're going to get some texture. It's going to look like kinky hair blown out, right? So this wig texture is beautiful, guys. It looks absolutely stunning in ponytails, buns, or even if you press it out, of course. So I am just going to straighten out the hair. As you guys saw, I already used the hot comb to press out the roots and get a more flat look, which is major key to making your frontal look like it's melted. So I'm just using a flat iron and I'm just actually going through one time, guys. And this is just how straight this hair is getting. So again, you can wear this hair in so many different styles and it's still going to give off a natural hair look. So as you can see, this is the original texture of the hair. No heat was applied to this side. And the other side is my flat iron side. And I only did one pass. So if you did more than one, or if you got a hotter flat iron than me, then girl, this wig can get really straight. So regardless of if you decide to wear it in its natural texture or straighten the hair, you're going to get volume, you're going to get fullness just because of the texture, and that's why I love it. So here's another side-by-side comparison. Also, I think you get a couple more inches, you know, once you straighten the hair, of course. So off camera, I did go ahead and straighten out the other side of the hair. And I did add some foundation to the part just because you guys know I have to do that for like every wig. But you definitely don't have to do that. And like I said, you definitely don't have to pluck the hairline on this wig. Either way, girl, you're going to be winning if you decide to get this wig from RPGHair because they make it so easy to get a natural look with this wig. So this is pretty much what the wig looks like. Again, only thing I have not done is bleach or tint the frontal or add any type of foundation beyond the parting space. So this is what the wig looks like now. And as you can see, even though the hair has been straightened, this ponytail still has a lot of volume to it, has bounce to it, and it has a natural shine to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put her on. And of course, we're not using any glue, any gel, because we ain't got time for that. So once I have the wig on, I go ahead and do the necessary adjustments, make sure it fits good, make sure it's tight and snug. If it's not, I take the wig off and I adjust the elastic bands in the back. Now, I like to cut a lot of my lace off my wigs when my wig is on my head, simply because I'm able to get a little bit more precise with my hairline. And also, when you are cutting the lace off of your wig, make sure you are going in a zigzag motion just to avoid like the oval shape look. I am going to use some hair mousse to flatten out the hair a little bit more and get rid of any type of flyaways. This wig has absolutely no flyaways. I just like hair mousse. I mean, it's bomb. So I took a little bit of hair mousse and pressed it up against the hairline just to get a more pressed out look. And off camera, I did go back in and cut a little bit more lace off of the hairline. However, guys, this is a lace frontal wig, so you will be able to see the lace, you know what I'm saying? But it shouldn't be too visible. Of course, I'm extra, so I'm going to add a little bit more foundation, which I definitely didn't have to do because it was better without adding extra. So sometimes it ain't good to be extra. But anyways, this is the look. As you can see, the hair gets super straight compared to the beginning texture. I hope you guys get a chance to purchase this wig because honestly, it is different compared to the other kinky texture wigs I've reviewed in the past. And this exact wig, length, density, and all, is $167. Yes, girl, it's a win. Make sure you check out that description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye.